You guys, look what just came in the mail. I am so excited. So this is the new shade of the Lash Next Door mascara by Brooklyn & Bailey, and I am so excited to try it. I have the original shade, so I do want to test the new shade out and compare it to the black shade. So this is a brown shade in Espresso. So the color is definitely different. I thought it was going to be very difficult to see which one's which. The black one is the bluer shade. The brown one is the more like mint green shade. And the logo is different from the original one. That's so cool. And it doesn't have, on the first one, it also says Brooklyn & Bailey on one side. This one just says Lash Next Door on both sides. So quickly off camera, I'm going to apply the black shade, and I know the wands are similar because they already peaked, but I just want to show you the wands as well. This one's the brown one, and this one's the black one. Definitely similar shade, a similar wand. Well, let's not put the brown one or the black one in the brown. I almost did that. Okay, so really quickly off camera, I'm going to apply the black. I did want to compare the two mascaras on both of my lashes. So I'm going to quickly apply the black one, and then we can do the brown. All right, the black mascara is on. There's just something so amazing that I love about this mascara. This mascara is just so good. So I did use a lash curler before applying the mascara because I like to use a lash curler before. But on this side, I know how it performs, but I do want to apply the brown mascara without a lash curler. So I'm going to just remove the excess. Like I said, I know how this mascara works and I know how it performs. This video is more about the color rather than performance of the new mascara. I mean, the original one that I had is a little bit more dried out, and obviously this one's a newer tube, so that's going to be a difference, but I really like the color. This is probably my favorite brown mascara. The other ones that I've tried, I don't really like the color. This one is perfect. They did such an amazing job on the brown mascara. I love it. So this is the two mascaras side by side. I absolutely love this new mascara from Lash Next Door. Definitely great for like an everyday makeup look. So I hope you all enjoyed today's video and see you guys in the next one. Bye!